Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Hackers. So today we're going to be doing a video about the free screen recording software VSDC. So to get started, you need to go to vsdc.com, link in the description. You land on this site, click on the download recorder software button. You'll be provided the installer, follow the setup instructions. It's pretty general. Now let's get right into the interface. So we'll be using ice cream screen recorder to record the interface of VSDC. So let's get into it. First we'll go into the settings tab. Here you have the result video format group. Basically here you can customize how the video will be. So you can go with the recommended format, native, where you can choose is RGB 32 video format and PCM audio format. You can customize the frame rate. Here you have a bunch of options. You can go custom. Here you have to use MPEG-4 and MP3. And again you have a bunch of frame rates, but you can also customize this further by clicking on the settings tab. Now here you can customize it heavily. You can change the video codec that you're going to use for the video, change the resolution of the video, width and height of the video, the frame rate of the video. Now it has a range from 4 fps to 60 fps, and you can further customize the video codec by clicking on settings. Here you can change things such as profile level and encoding type. Now let's get into the audio settings. In the audio settings, again you can change the audio codec. You have a bunch of options to choose from. You can choose the audio format. You can choose between a bunch of frequencies and stereo or mono. And again you can customize the codec by clicking on settings. So here you can change things like constant bitrate and variable bitrate. And here you have a few more advanced options. So let's get into this part. The destination path, basically you can customize where the video should be outputted, where it will be saved. And here in the hotkeys group, you can assign the key to which you should pause, resume, or how should you stop the recording. So basically click this, let the cursor blink, then click on the desired key. Say I'll press L, then my pause resume key will be L. Now I'll shift it back to F5 by clicking on F5. This will take effect as soon as you hit start recording here. Now let's go to video and audio sources. Here in the video setting tab, basically it's used for when you have too many monitors, you can control the output of each monitor. You can control up to 5 monitors. You can record you can do the screen recording with or without cursor. Overlays are used when you're drawing. Basically you can draw with this. I'll show you later. Here in the audio settings, you can choose the audio capture device, and the audio input is master volume. Again you can change the audio input level and audio input balance. Again click on settings, and here you can change the mixer properties. And this arrow mark here will show you how the output screen looks like. So when you're using many monitors, this is how it will look like. Okay, now this is the renders button. Here you can choose your video renderer and the audio renderer. Volume and balance, of course, you can adjust, and you don't have to always render audio, so by default it's not selected. That's it. Now I'll show you how it looks like when it's recording. So when you hit start recording, first to move this you have to click on this. Let me just minimize it. Yeah, so if you hold this, you can move the area to be recorded, and using these corner tabs or the top tab, these gray boxes, basically you can increase or decrease the size of the area of the screen to be recorded. So I'll say I'll go here. Yeah, so here is a panel. You can show this panel while recording. Basically the panel, it will pop up now. I'll show you how to look. This is to go full screen, and again you can click, we'll go back to the same settings interface. The red button will start recording. So let's start. So you can show or not show this panel, it's up to you. Pause, stop. You can use the hotkeys if you want. And here you even have some options for drawing. So click on start drawing. You have the pencil tool. So here you can use overlays. It will draw everything layer by layer, or you can draw it in just one image. So pencil tool, general. Line tool, you can customize with 1 arrow or even 2 arrows. Then you have a rectangle. This size can be anything really, and an ellipse. You can set the brush size from 1 to 10 pixels. So if I take 10 pixels, the line is much more thicker. You can change the color here also. You can choose from these, or click on more colors, choose from the hex, or customize it totally. RGB values would work well. So that's pretty much it with the VSDC screen recorder. Thanks for watching. Any doubts, you can let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.